Hello, fine people. This is Lauren Dulgaro, aka The Solutionist. I help people to restore and to remaster their credit profiles so they can make the big purchases their family needs to grow and to create new streams of income. So I'm really excited to come on and talk to and teach everybody about credit, right? Because when was the last time you had a credit educator, an advocate, somebody boxing with you in the corner, showing you the rules of the game, how to duck, how to move, how to jump? I want to come on and talk about some funny things I hear. First funny thing. I only have one thing wrong with my credit. It's only one account. It's super easy to fix. All I'd have to do is give them a phone call. Well, listen, honey, if all it was a phone call, you would have made it. And you wouldn't have a poor credit profile to that extent if it really was just one thing. Because dollars to donuts, I'm telling you, there's more happening there. There's more happening. It's not all about the accounts. Other crazy thing I hear, you can do this in 45 days, right? Well, yes and no. You're gonna start to see some effects in 30 to 45 days. I'm not the credit reporting agency, neither are you. You're not the creditor, and neither am I. The timelines and the responses completely rely on them. How can your credit restorationist, your credit educator, actually say, yes, 30, 45 days, that sounds about legit. Stop. We both know it did not take you 30 to 45 days to screw up your credit. So how on good God's green earth is it going to take 30 to 45 days to create the impact and put your credit where you want it to be? I'm good, but I'm not that good, honey. Other crazy things I hear. Oh yeah, I've got a couple versions of my name. I know about that. No, there's another one on there. I don't know who that is, but it must be okay, right? It's not right. Stop, really? Of course there's another name. There could be another social security number, other accounts, other derogatives that are riding on your account, but they might be somebody else's info. Listen, rule of thumb, if it's not yours, it doesn't look right, it's wrong, get on it. Get an educator, get an advocate. Hi, my name's Lauren Dulgaro, also The Solutionist, and I'm here to help you restore and to remaster your credit profiles and not say the crazy credit things, because I'm going to teach you about credit. You're going to learn about how to create it, how to deal with it, how to fix it, how to leverage it, how to create income. Really taking credit and using it what it was intended for. So kids, again, I'm Lauren Dulgaro, aka The Solutionist. Make sure that you like this video, all videos, of course, Total Solution Trust, and subscribe, because you're not going to want to miss out on everything that we have forthcoming, everything in credit and finance that we're going to be able to bring you. And we want you to be here for that. So again, I'll see you next time. Bye.